Okay.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This poor cat had an existential crisis.
Why are you doing this?
She had no
Ja, Albi, ja, habe ich. Mache ich nicht.
idea that this hawk landed inside of her house.
Hey, no barking. No barking. Hey, sit. Cushy. Jesus, cushy.
Oh, Junge. Oh mein Gott. Charlie, hello.
Quiet.
Also das muss ich mir nicht gefallen lassen. Oh nein, ich weiß, was passiert. Oh nein. Ne, das möchte ich nicht sehen.
Don't worry, the little guy is okay.
Sir.
This plane was delayed for
Mein Gott.
18 hours, so all the passengers gave up except this one guy who ended up getting the entire plane to himself.
Loaded all the bags on the plane. How many bags do you have to load today, bro?
One.
Insert the memo link into the bucket.
Sorry.
Pull the strap so it's time to clap your
I'm focusing.
Did you get that?
Yes.
automatically eliminate. If necessary, complete the
Geil, ey. Richtig gut. Sag mal. Wann Chat so füttern? Chat, wann ihr mich so füttern? Oh, süße Maus. Na. Oh, es kam einfach wieder raus.
Now keep in mind that this delivery guy is
So
only
cute.
dropping off $20 worth of food.
Next.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I just want to say it's a nice house for a $5 tip.
Ich würde ihm nichts mehr geben. Das ist nicht roasted. Das ist einfach unnötig. Ich würde ihm gar nichts mehr geben.
You're welcome.
Oh, er hat noch Fuck you gesagt am Ende, oder? Q.
This scientist wanted to see what raindrops look like under a microscope. He found some pollen from trees, some bacteria swimming around in circles, and some very, very small pieces of plants.
God, it's still going.
Was?
NASA just locked 4
God. God, it's still going.
NASA
Was? Wind? Ja, hä?
just locked 4 volunteers into this habitat for the next 378 days. It's supposed to be a simulator for what a base on Mars would be like. The purpose of the study is to see how humans would be impacted from being on a base on Mars for over a year.
Ja, hätte ich keinen Bock drauf.
I'm mowing my lawn, right? All of a sudden I start seeing this popping out, and I'm like, no. And then I start hearing squeaking, and I start seeing the floor moving. And look at what there is. Look at what there is. It's a little baby bunny nest.
This bear thought
Oh, richtig cute.
this pig was gonna be an easy snack. I think this cat is broken. This is
Okay.
what it looks like when a single cell organism dies. That is the end of this video. Hopefully you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Richtig cool. Tiere einfach die besseren Menschen.
Ich will Liebes, ich will alles, ich will fliegen wie bei Marvin. Ich hab Hunger, also nenn, ich will alles von mir fliegen. Viel ein Haus für meine